Lately, historical YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos have been garnering millions upon millions of views. Despite being easy and simple to create, multiple YouTube channels have absolutely skyrocketed, going from 0 to over 200,000 subscribers in just a few months. This is achieved only by narrating stories of historical figures using the power of AI, making these videos insanely engaging. In this video, I will show you how to recreate these videos to attract views across various social media platforms. Let's first take a look at the analytics of these following channels. History Hideout is pulling in around 2 million views every month, translating to about $5,000 a month in ad revenue. This other channel, History Bypass, is garnering around 5 million views, monthly equating to around $15,000 in ad revenue. For this video, we'll need a few tools: ChatGPT for script assistance, AI image generators like MidJourney or Leonardo, and video editing software such as Premiere Pro or CapCut. We'll also use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Murph AI. All of these I will link down below in the description. Let's begin with the step-by-step tutorial. The first step is to create the script. I'll explain two methods for this. The first involves using ChatGPT, where you can ask it to write a paragraph about your video's main idea. However, this may not always result in popular content. To increase your chances of success, I recommend the second method. Choose a video you like, copy its URL, and use DubDub's transcribe feature to turn the spoken words into text. Then, ask ChatGPT to rephrase the text, giving you a script that's optimized for popularity. Next, we need to generate images and B-roll. I recommend using MidJourney, but if it's out of your budget, Leonardo AI is a good alternative. If you don't know how to make high-quality images with these AI generators, I have videos on my channel explaining how to be a professional AI artist, which I will link in the description as well. If you have ChatGPT, you can ask it to generate the prompts for you and just paste them into MidJourney. If not, just try different prompts until you find the right one. If you want this kind of quality images, you have to use MidJourney. You can't get these well-represented images with any other alternative, so I recommend investing some money into a MidJourney subscription. But for now, let's use Leonardo. To start, go to app.leonardo.ai, navigate to AI image generation, and start generating images for each scene. Keep trying prompts until you find one that you like. Here is one prompt that you guys can use for free. Now that we've created the script with ChatGPT and images with Leonardo, it's time to make the voice recording. I'll use 11 Labs for this. Open 11 Labs, find a voice you like in the voice library, and paste your script into it. Remove any empty parts and press Generate. Now let's listen to how it sounds.
During World War II, a U.S. soldier, Jack Churchill, charged into battle armed with a longbow, arrows, and a Scottish broadsword. Dubbed Mad Jack, he is known for the only confirmed longbow kill in the war. His motto: "Any officer who goes into action without his sword is improperly dressed."
Having prepared our voiceover, we'll commence the video editing process using the CapCut application. The first step involves importing the audio recording of our voiceover, along with the curated images meant for the video. Attention to detail is crucial. We need to examine the voiceover to ensure it delivers a smooth and professional sound. Any sections of silence or unnecessary pauses must be identified and removed. This sort of editing ensures that the voiceover maintains a continuous flow and keeps the viewer engaged. The next step is to tweak the visual elements. Begin by adjusting the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16. Which is a format that is widely compatible and favorable for mobile viewing. Afterward, integrate the images that were generated earlier. It's important to keep the viewer's attention by changing the images every 3 to 5 seconds. To elevate the video's appeal, integrate a variety of transitions and animations. Consider incorporating effects like zoom to focus on specific aspects. Left slide for seamless transitioning between scenes. And pendulum effects to add dynamic motion. Thoughtfully placed, these effects can significantly elevate the storytelling aspect of the video. To further amplify the video's impact, you can add additional animations tailored to each scene. Introduce thematic effects such as fire, for scenes depicting intensity or rain to create a somber mood. Ensuring that each addition complements the narrative context of the scene. By adhering to these steps, you can transform your content into an engaging and professional-looking video that resonates with viewers. For music, visit tunetank.com and search for music that aligns with the theme you're seeking. You may discover excellent music options there. Alternatively, you can look for copyright-free music on YouTube. I managed to find some suitable songs that complement the video perfectly, making it truly impressive. All the music available on this website is free of copyright restrictions. In case you encounter a copyright claim, simply enter your video's URL in the copyright claim section of the website to promptly resolve the issue. And additionally, the site will offer you a free trial that allows you to download up to 10 songs each month. To incorporate subtitles, navigate to the text area and select Auto Captions. Then press Create. CapCut will swiftly generate the captions for you. If there are any mistakes, feel free to manually correct them. To enhance the text's visual appeal, use the pop-up animation, which reveals the text one word at a time. Finally, adjust the font to match the one used by the previously referenced channels. Let's review the video.
During World War II, a U.S. soldier, Jack Churchill, charged into battle armed with a longbow, arrows, and a Scottish broadsword. Dubbed Mad Jack, he is known for the only confirmed longbow kill in the war. His motto, any officer who goes into action without his sword is improperly dressed.
If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.